Need a modernized twist to the Ray-Ban Classic Wayfarer? Say hello to the Ray-Ban Justin. Hello Ray-Ban lovers, it's Maria here with Shades Daddy. The shape is inspired by the classic Ray-Ban Wayfarer, but they've revamped it by sizing up the rectangle lens and adding a matte finish to the frame. As you can see on the Ray-Ban Justin, we have the shark fin curve on the temples, which is also seen on the Ray-Ban Wayfarer, so it still gives you that classic look. The frame feels durable and sturdy, and it feels of high quality. The temples are thick, and they also feature the Ray-Ban logo. I'm wearing the rubber black with a gray gradient lens. As you can see, the lens has a beautiful gradient. It starts out darker on the top, and then it gradually fades into a lighter shade towards the bottom. We offer this same style with mirrored lenses in bright colors, so you can switch it up or you can stick with this classic look. You can find the link for these in the description down below. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and feel free to subscribe if you enjoy content like this.